First look of OnePlus Concept One smartphone. Hey guys, so, OnePlus already announced that it will be unveiling Concept One at a special event in CES, but many details weren't shared then. But now, OnePlus has released an official teaser that reveals a glimpse of what the Concept One smartphone looks like, along with other key details. According to the official teaser posted by OnePlus, the OnePlus Concept One smartphone will sport an invisible camera, and for this, OnePlus has partnered with McLaren. When a different voltage is applied, the light transmission properties are altered, allowing the glass to shift back and forth from transparent to translucent. It is to be noted that, just like the pop-up camera mechanism, the invisible camera appears when the camera app is triggered and vanishes when the app is not in use. Furthermore, according to the concept drawings, OnePlus Concept One smartphone has a vertical line running through the center of the rear of the smartphone, along with stitching. This suggests that the smartphone will have a leather back. Also, the camera setup is said to be the same as the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition. Pop-up camera with same specs as the 7T Pro and 90Hz AMOLED display. The OnePlus Concept One will be on display to media and the general public during CES from 7th to the 10th of January. Apart from this, there will also be various showcases including a 90Hz versus 60Hz comparison, and OnePlus Piano performance. As the name suggests, it is a concept phone and OnePlus has said that it doesn't have any plans to launch it anytime soon for the masses. But there are chances that OnePlus will implement this technology in its upcoming OnePlus 8 series lineup. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the OnePlus Concept One. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.